Welcome to ConnectPay's online payroll software demo. Today we'll be setting up a new employee. Over on the left, all the hyperlinks are active. So if you enter in a new employee, click New Employee. You would fill in first name, middle name, last name, social security, address, divisions, and departments. This would all be set up for your company. The pay frequency, you can have multiple pay frequencies. You would choose the one that the employee was paid on. Salary would be per pay period amount. Regular is the hourly rate that they were hired at. The new hire box is always checked because we do new hire reporting for you. You put in the hire date, the gender. If you have an employee that is here on a visa from another country, you would check this box and reach out to your client service representative so that the taxes were done appropriately. Further down the page, if you had a 1099, you could pay that 1099 through payroll. We're going to assume this employee is a W-2. That's what the default is. This client is set up in multiple states. So if you are also set up in multiple states, you would choose the state that the employee is working and living in. You would pick the filing status based on their W-4 form, whether or not they're married or single, and any exemptions. These tax exemptions are associated with a visa status. So they're grayed out for you. Your CSR would have to do that locally. And then you would save your changes, and that employee would be available to be paid when you go into the pay grid. We recommend that all changes are done prior to going into the pay grid. That way when you go into the pay grid, all you're doing is payroll. So edit employee. If you had an employee that, say, moved, you would click on that employee and you would change their street, city, state, and zip code. So I'll move him to 250 Main Street. You save your changes, and that becomes effective immediately.